Hello YouTube! We are going to create a simple Rails app and make necessary configurations to it for production environment. In the previous video, I have created a Rails app named Pandapera. I cd into it and use Vim editor to change production.rb file. There are three important lines that need to be written or changed. Firstly, we set config.assets.compile to true. Secondly, we enable public file server by setting config.public_file_server.enabled to true. As you might notice, the production file already allows this property to be handled by Apache, which we will install in the next video. Third of all, we type config.serve_static_files equals true. In short, those three lines allow compiling assets and serve them in the public folder as static files. From this point on, if you change any file in your app, you should run Rails assets:precompile command inside the app folder. This will create static files in the public folder. For demonstration purposes, I will create a simple app with a single controller. I first generate a controller named start, then edit the controller file only for index method. After this, I create an index view file with a single header line as a test. Finally, we must add the start-index file as the root to our application. As you already know by now, since we changed the files, we must run Rails asset:precompile command. You can see that the newly created start file has been compiled into the public folder. Additionally, there is one more important remark for production environment that you should know. If you create a new style sheet in the app assets stylesheets folder, or a new JavaScript file in the app JavaScript pack folder, you must add the names of these files to the config initializers assets.rb as I show here. In the next video, we will be installing Apache. Don't forget to subscribe.